Hello guys, this video will show how to solve database suspect in SQL Server. First of all, I'm gonna run SQL Server. My SQL Server version is 2008. Okay, server name. This is the Windows authentication. SQL Server authentication. Okay, username password. It's connected now. And just expand the database. Here you can see that rand manage this is suspected and test DB is also suspected. Why it's suspected? Unexpected SQL Server shutdown, power failure, or hardware problem, insufficient memory, or database corrupted. Okay, now I'm gonna click on the new query. The new query is added. Just to write this code in the new query option. After writing the code, you just execute, then the database suspect will be solved. I just make the text as faster to reducing time. First of all, exec sp reset status rent manage db. Rent manage db, this is my database name which still suspected. Alter database rent manage db set emergency. Then dbcc check db rent manage db. Alter database rent manage db set single user with rollback. It's not case sensitive, you can write it in small letter or capital. dbcc check db and then rent manage db. Okay, refer allow refer underscore allow underscore data underscore loss. Just to write it exactly. Finally, alter database rent manage db set null. Just write this code, the set of code, and finally you just click on execute. Just click on execute. Yes, it's executed. Now it's successful. Still the database is suspect. Just refresh the database. You can refresh specifically. Now the rent manage db is not suspected, and it's allowed to expand, and you can access the database rent manage db. Now it's accessible and everything will be same. The data also same and everything you can access.